Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. Today, we have a very important topic: how small daily changes can your life. It's something we all think about, isn't it? We often want big changes, but sometimes we forget that great things start very, very small.
Yes, teacher, I feel that. Sometimes I look at my goals and they seem so big. I think, how can I ever do that? It feels impossible, so I don't start.
That's a very common feeling, Anna. Many people feel that way. We want to improve our English or get healthier or learn something new, but we wait for the perfect time or a lot of motivation. But the truth is, small actions done every day are much more powerful than big actions done only once. To our listeners, I want to ask you this: what small change could improve your life starting today? Think about it as we talk.
That's a good question. I'm already thinking about it, but still, I sometimes feel stuck. Like, I know I want to change, but I just can't move forward. Have you ever felt that, teacher?
Absolutely, Anna. Everyone feels stuck sometimes. It's a normal part of life. There are a few reasons why we feel this way. One reason is fear of failure. We worry that if we try, we might not succeed, and that feeling can stop us.
Yes, I know that fear. What if I try to speak English more and I make many mistakes? People might laugh or I might feel silly.
Exactly. Another reason is a lack of direction. Sometimes we want to change, but we don't know the exact first step. The goal feels too far away. Or we might have too many goals and we don't know which one to choose first.
Oh, that's me too. I want to improve my listening, my speaking, my writing. I want to read books, watch movies. It's too much, so I just do nothing.
Right. And then there's negative self-talk. This is when we tell ourselves bad things like, I'm not good enough or I can't do it. This voice inside our head can be very strong and stop us from trying.
It's hard to stop that voice. It's like it's always there.
It is hard, but it's possible. And finally, many of us wait for motivation to come. We think, when I feel motivated, then I will start. But the truth is, motivation often comes after we start taking action. It's like pushing a car. It's hard to start, but once it's moving, it's easier to keep going. Let us talk about how small actions create change.
Okay, that sounds helpful. How can I really start if I feel stuck right now?
It all begins with a simple idea: improving just a little bit each day. Imagine you want to get 1% better at something every day. What does 1% mean? It means a tiny, tiny change. For example, if you want to be better at English, 1% might be learning one new word, or listening to one short English podcast for 5 minutes, or writing one sentence in English.
One word? That doesn't feel like much. Will that really help?
It feels small, yes, but let's think about it. If you improve by 1% every day for a year, you will be almost 37 times better than when you started. That's a huge transformation. The opposite is also true. If you get 1% worse every day, you will almost disappear.
Wow, 37 times better? That's incredible. I never thought about it like that. So, small changes really add up.
Exactly. These small changes become habits. And habits are very powerful because they shape who you are. If you read one page of an English book every day, you become a person who reads English. If you go for a 10-minute walk every day, you become a person who is active.
I see. So, it's not just about the action, but about building a new identity, a new self? Like, I am an English learner, not someone who wants to learn English.
Precisely. Your habits show what you believe about yourself. If you do something small for your goal every day, you are telling yourself, I am capable. I am making progress. Let's say you want to save money. Instead of thinking, I need to save a lot of money, you can think, I will put $1 into my savings account every day. It's easy, but it builds the habit and the identity of a saver.
That makes sense. It's less scary than trying to do something big all at once. What about our thoughts? Sometimes my thoughts stop me more than my actions.
That's a great point, Anna. Our mindset, how we think about things, is super important. There are two main types of mindset: a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. A person with a fixed mindset believes their abilities, like intelligence or talent, are fixed. They think, I am not good at math, so I will never be good at math.
Oh, I think I have a bit of a fixed mindset sometimes. I think I am not a natural speaker of English, so it's hard for me to learn.
Many people do, but a growth mindset is different. It believes that abilities can grow and improve with effort and practice. So, a person with a growth mindset would say, I am not good at math yet, but I can learn and improve. For English, it would be, my English is not perfect yet, but I can practice and get better every day.
That sounds much more hopeful. How can I change my mindset to a growth mindset?
One way is to focus your attention intentionally. Instead of thinking about what you can't do, think about what you can do, even if it's small. Also, use positive self-talk. When that negative voice comes, try to answer it with a positive one. For example, if you think, I made a mistake in English, tell yourself, it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn.
That's a good idea. Like changing the story in my head.
Exactly. You can also try affirmations. These are positive statements you say to yourself. Things like, I am capable of learning or I am improving every day. Another tool is visualization. This means you imagine yourself achieving your goal. Close your eyes and see yourself speaking English fluently or feeling healthy and strong.
So seeing it in my mind can help make it real?
Yes, it helps your brain get ready for success. And don't forget gratitude. Being thankful for what you have, even small things, can change your focus from what's wrong to what's right. This positive feeling can give you more energy to take action.
Okay, so changing my thoughts, saying positive things, imagining success, and being thankful. That's a lot to try, but I like it. It feels very active, not just waiting.
That's the key, Anna. Taking action. Many people wait for the perfect moment. I'll start my new study plan next Monday, or I'll start exercising when I have more time. But the perfect moment rarely comes. Life is always busy. The best time to start is always now, even if it's not perfect. We often say, done is better than perfect.
I often wait for the perfect moment. I think, I need a special notebook for English or a new app. And then I never start because I don't have the perfect things.
It's a common trap. Just start with what you have. Use any notebook. Speak to yourself in English. The action itself is what matters most. And another very powerful thing is your environment. This means the people around you, the places you go, and the things you read or watch.
How can my environment help me change?
Think about it. If you spend time with people who are also learning English and are positive, what happens?
I think I would feel more motivated, and maybe I would have more chances to speak English.
Exactly. These are supportive people. They lift you up, they encourage you. They are your community. Also, what content do you consume? Are you watching inspiring videos or reading helpful articles in English? Or are you watching things that make you feel bad or waste your time?
Sometimes I watch funny videos, but they are not helping my English. I should try to watch more educational content or something in English that I enjoy, like a short show.
Yes, positive content. It helps to expose your mind to ideas that push you forward. You can also join learning communities, online or in person. When you are accountable to others, it makes it easier to keep going. They can give you momentum.
So, I should find people who are also trying to improve and watch or read things that are good for my goals. I never really thought about my surroundings affecting my ability to change so much.
It has a huge impact. Building a good environment is like setting yourself up for success. It makes taking those small daily actions much easier. Now, I want us to do a small practice together. It's called Repeat After Me. I'll say a sentence, and I want you and our listeners to repeat it slowly and calmly.
Okay, I'm ready.
Great. Let's start. Pauses. I can improve every day. I can improve every day. Small steps matter. Small steps matter. I take action even if it is not perfect.
I take action, even if it is not perfect.
Very good, Anna. Our listeners at home, I hope you repeated those too. These simple words can really change your inner voice. Now, let's do a quick vocabulary review of some keywords we used today. This will help you remember them.
Oh, good idea. I love learning new words.
First, we have transformation. This means a complete change, often for the better. Like your life can have a big transformation.
Transformation. Okay, like a butterfly changing.
Exactly. Next, mindset. This is your way of thinking, your attitude. A growth mindset is a good mindset to have.
Mindset. So, how I think.
Then, surroundings. This means everything around you, people, places, things. Your environment.
Surroundings. My world around me.
Correct. Momentum. This is the force or speed of a moving object. In life, it means the feeling of continuous progress or movement. When you start, you build momentum.
Momentum. Like keeping the ball rolling.
Perfect. Exposure. This is being in contact with something. Like, exposure to English helps you learn.
Exposure. Yes, hearing English helps.
Then, growth-driven. This describes a person or goal that focuses on improving and getting better.
Growth driven. Always wanting to get better.
Right. Visualization. This means creating mental images, imagining something clearly in your mind. We talked about visualizing success.
Visualization. Seeing it in my head.
Yes. And affirmation. A positive statement you say to yourself. I can do it is an affirmation.
Affirmation. Like a positive message.
Almost done. Community. This is a group of people living or working together, or sharing something in common, like our learning community.
Community. People helping each other.
Exactly. And finally, accountable. This means being responsible for your actions and able to explain them. When you are accountable to someone, you are more likely to do what you say.
Accountable. Being responsible. This was a really good review, teacher. Thank you.
You're very welcome, Anna. To all our listeners, remember that big changes come from small daily actions. Don't wait for motivation, take action even if it's imperfect. Work on your mindset, surround yourself with positive things, and build a supportive community. Try to take just one small action today towards your goal. We would love to hear from you. What small change could improve your life starting today? Share your thoughts with us. Thank you for joining us today, Anna, and to everyone listening. Keep making those small steps, because small daily changes can transform your life.